Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, it is the one and only greatness. And just in case you did not know, I am destined for greatness. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back here with another YouTube video. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys a easy EMA strategy using psychological levels. I'm going to obviously go on the chart. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Pretty much when price is below the 50 EMA, you're going to look into sell. You just got to wait for a setup, and vice versa. When price is above the 50 EMA, you're going to be looking for a buy. I'm going to show you guys that on the computer. If you have not checked the merch, ladies and gentlemen, grtnssbrand.com. Follow me on Instagram, grtnssbrand. I'm going to put everything on the screen right here. But ladies and gentlemen, let's get on to the desktop. I'm going to show you guys the strategy. I hope you guys like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So we're going to head over there in 3, 2, 1. So ladies and gentlemen, I am here on the desktop. As usual, tradingview.com is going to be the website that we're going to be using. So once you are on tradingview.com, you're going to pick a pair. Let's see what pair I'll pick. I'll pick a new pair. Let's go to Forex. I'm gonna do AU. I probably don't have nothing marked up for this chart, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on the first chart. USD, add, with the chart. Boom. So as you guys can see, fresh chart. So first and foremost, ladies and gentlemen, so right now I have two EMAs. What an EMA is an exponential moving average, and essentially it is the close price, an average of the close price of X amount of candles. So in this instance right here, I have one that is on the 55, which is the strategy I'm gonna be showing you guys today, and then the other one that I have is on the 16. So one EMA is the last 16, the close of the last 16 candles, and one line, which represents 55, is going to be the close of the last 55 candles. So common sense would tell you if you're below the last 16 candles, you should want to sell. If you're above the last 16 candle close, you will want to be looking to go long. So it's as simple as that. Then once you use two when they cross, that's an extra confirmation. But for this video, I'm going to turn off the 16, and I'm just going to show you guys the 55. So I'm gonna turn this one off. So boom, how do you add EMA? You're gonna go up here to this FX indicators. You're gonna click that. In the search, you're gonna just type in EMA, moving average exponential. You're gonna click on it. It's gonna come up. Double click the line, and for length, put 55. That's how you set it. And then style, you can change it to whatever color you want to. But as you can already see here, this is on the 15-minute chart. It does it all. It's the Forex market is fractal, so everything happens on every 1 hour, 15 minute to 1 minute. Everything is going to continue to happen. It's very fractal. So as you can see right here, the moment that price dropped below the 55 EMA, look how many days is this? It crossed March 23rd, and you could have sold all the way to March 25th. You just will have to know where to enter, ladies and gentlemen. I would say that might be the most difficult thing. This strategy is as simple as this. If you see price below the 55 EMA, you should be looking to sell. You just have to find a setup. And if you are selling, you want to sell high. If you're buying, you want to buy it low. So just put those two things into consideration. Like if you're below, on top of the psychological levels, ladies and gentlemen, that's when it just makes it a whole different ball game. Because as you can see, price broke through major level $1.19. So in my mind, I know that it's at least going to go to the 50, so 50 pips. You can go to the half level, the quarter level, just simply because one, it broke through this psychological level. That's one sign of confluence. The second sign of confluence is below the 55 EMA, and then if it's in the downtrend, that's all you need. Those are three different confirmations to let you know that it's a downtrend. So it's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. I'll just show you. So if you're on the 1 hour chart, yeah, we're gonna do the 1 hour. I feel like I watch a lot of videos and they do the 4 hour, and I know a lot of y'all don't have patience for the 4 hour, because you have to wait 4 hours for each candle to close for a setup. So if you're on the 1 hour and you see that price just broke straight through the 50 EMA like this, you're going to want to wait for some sort of pullback. So what I would do is, this would be a pullback right here. Any type of pullback of price trying to break up, because it's not really breaking up. It broke below the 55 EMA. Those are setups. So right here, if I put a box, and this is just to show you. So if you see a candle formation like this, I'm going to show you what you should do. Boom, I'm just gonna put a box right here. This is on the 1 hour. So right here on the 1 hour, you would have had one setup. I trade on the 15-minute chart. I'm giving y'all a lot of sauce right now too, to let you guys know, but I trade on the 15-minute chart. So on the 1 hour, when you see this retracement happening, like I said, the market is fractal. So that 1 hour is 4 15-minute candles. So if one green candle is on the 1 hour in a downtrend, that is your opportunity on the 15-minute chart to get in on an entry, because you have more opportunities versus waiting an hour on top of an hour. This is why I trade on the 15-minute chart. Let me go back to where I was. So if I see something as little as this, I'm going to drop down to the 15-minute chart, and you're going to see at least more. Let me see where we was at. Boom, right here. So look at this. Now, I can't make this up, ladies and gentlemen. This is just fundamentals. You learn this. So this was just off of a 1 hour green candle, a 1 hour bullish candle. A bullish means buy. 1 hour bullish candle, and this would have been your entry right here. Price tried to break above, it clearly could not break above, and you could have waited for a break and a retest. Where would you do the break and retest? Right here. It all depends on what type of trader you are. I know for most part if it doesn't break right there, but a break and a retest is going to be, you see right here that it didn't break above, but you're not going to enter. You're going to wait for it to break a structure that it has created, then the retest, and the retest is just a higher confirmation. But once you got in there, you could have rolled that thing all the way down, or you just could have just continue to take profits and get in or scale in, however you like to do it. But ladies and gentlemen, it's just that simple. Like I said, I'm trying to keep the videos nice and short and sweet. I don't want it to be too long, not yet, but I just showed you guys exactly how to do it. It is that simple. It would be the same thing if it was a buy position. If it was above, it would be the same exact thing. You see it's below, you find a setup on the hourly, put a box. I will show you guys how to put another box. Put a box where to support. That is going to be a zone. That is a major zone. So you have to find where price is going to do react at, because it has to. This is how the market moves. And that box indicates to me that if price doesn't break above this box, then I know that it wants to continue going down. If price breaks above the box, I'm going to wait for it to break and then retest. And then I may get in, but I would not get in because I'm under the EMA. So you also use that EMA as a safety net. But ladies and gentlemen, it's just that simple. More YouTube videos are definitely coming soon. But I'm gonna wrap the video with that, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, I hope you guys are liking the videos that I'm putting out. I'm slowly but surely trying to get more and more out. I'm almost at 100 followers. I'm at 80 followers. I'm at 80 subscribers, which is crazy. I remember when I had 30. You know what I'm saying? So we're almost at 100 subscribers. I definitely might do a giveaway for that. But thank you guys for tuning in today's video. Just in case you did not know, ladies and gentlemen, I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.